Hello everybody and welcome to today's lecture about overcurrent protection and here the application of reverse interlocking. First, let's start with the principle of interlocking. In contrast to classic grading schemes where we have increasing times towards the source, which means that we have the longest tripping time and therefore the highest destruction close to the source, in reverse interlocking all the tripping times are set to the same values, for example 0.2 seconds, as we can see on our right side. So what happens if there's a short circuit at the end of such a line? If a short circuit occurs, it passes through the preceding relays, which in their turn send a blocking signal to the preceding relay, which will not operate anymore. So that means after the time of 0.2 seconds has elapsed, this relay will trip out, which is selective and quick. So now, what happens if we have a fault further upstream? For example, at the second leg. So the short circuit current activates the preceding relays, which in turn again send a blocking signal upstream and block the preceding relay. Now, after a lapse of 0.2 seconds again, this relay trips out, it is selective and it is quick. So again, wherever this fault has occurred, in any section, we will have a uniform tripping time of 0.2 seconds and no increase of tripping times towards the source. So now let's apply this to the busbar protection with reverse interlocking. First, let's look into a feeder fault. If a fault on a feeder occurs, we have a short circuit current flowing from the source to the faulty point. The relays that see this short circuit current are activated, they start and send a blocking signal to the preceding relay, which is closer to the source. This relay is blocked and will not take part in the protection scheme anymore. After a tripping time of 0.4 seconds, the feeder is tripped out, and that is correct. Now, what happens if we have a busbar fault? Basically, it's the same. We have a short circuit current which activates the preceding relay. This relay now does not receive any blocking signal and therefore it trips out after 0.2 seconds. So that means after 0.2 seconds we have cleared the busbar, it is a very short tripping time and it is selective. So this was today's lecture about reverse interlocking.